guys, here's another video. I've got this electric skateboard to repair today. It's a Meepo brand. It's not mine, and comes with this remote. So let me just show you what the problem is. One of the belts is snapped, and what you do, you turn the power on this remote, and then you turn the power on this on the actual skateboard itself, and the remote connects to this skateboard, as you can see here. And then once you press the trigger, the wheels turn. You can see here, but as you can see, only the one side spins because the belt snaps on the other side. That's why the wheel's not moving. The belt snapped and disappeared. So as you can see here, so that's what we're going to be having a look at today. A belt has been ordered, and I'm just waiting for it to arrive so I can replace it. As you can see there, just the one side spins. Okay, so I'm just going to switch the whole thing off and pop it on this bench, as the belt has arrived now. So first thing I've got to do, and do this knot here. It's a 13mm head knot. I've got my 13mm socket here and a ratchet, and it's just a matter of turning it counterclockwise, slacking it off, and now that I've got it loose, just going to undo this knot, the retaining knot, and pull the wheel away. And there's a little washer. I'll just get my thumb on that. You see here, there's a little washer. Just going to put that back on once I've reassembled it. And I drop the bloody camera there. So okay, so I'm just going to pop this nut in here with the wheel, put it to one side for the minute. Okay, like I said, the belt has arrived. You can see here. Let's get it out of the bag lively. That's the belt there, and it just fits around the gears. But firstly, I've got to remove this cover here, and it's 2 Allen key head bolts which hold it in place. It's a plastic cover. I'll show you, give you a bit of angle there so you can see. So you can see me just undoing the 2 Allen key head bolts lively. And once the bolts are undone, the plastic cover should just move away. Just a plastic belt guard. You see the 2 Allen key head bolts there. So I'll just put that to one side. Now I can show you the belt. That's the part number there. Let's swivel it around and show you. That's the part number there. So it just fits over the teeth of the motor on that side there, as you can see there. Then I just need the wheel. I'll just take the nut and the washer out and just put them to one side for the minute. Put them on here for the minute, because I've got to actually fit this wheel. And it's the same, the teeth of the belt fit over the motor and over the teeth on the wheel. So here you can see me just slowly mounting the belt onto the wheel, the teeth of the wheel. You see there, so I'm just going to turn it and push it on at the same time. I'll give you a better camera angle. There you go. Give you a side view. So what I've got to do is actually turn the belt and push the wheel on at the same time, so that the belt covers the teeth on the wheel. Let's put this Allen key in the side here and turn it, and as you can see, the belt's slowly going on. And I want to get it on the wheel completely. As you can see there, that looks like the one. It's right up against the side, so it's completely on. Just turn it a few times, make sure it spins freely. That's the belt fitted. So just gotta put this the belt guard back over the two Allen key bolts which I removed earlier. Just gonna screw that back on, and I'll just fit that back on here. Just move the camera around slightly here so you can see what I'm doing. There you go. So like I said before, it's reverse, just putting these two Allen key bolts back on for the belt guard. And that's on there. So now that that's done, it's just a matter of putting the washer back on, which I removed earlier. And then I'm just going to put some thread lock on the tread. But I haven't got the thread lock, so I'm just going to use some super glue. Just put a bit of super glue, dab of super glue on the thread, and then just screw the nut on as far as you can go. And then just tighten it up with this socket, not too tight. Tighten it up clockwise, and that's tight enough. And here you can see me just manually turning it just to make sure the belt's seated correctly. And you should see a little gap between the chassis and the belt itself from the top view. So what I'm going to do is turn the unit on and test it with the remote once it's powered on. Once I can get it to power on, that is. Okay, so if I just click the power button, accelerator button, as you can see both sides are spinning now. And you can see a gap between the chassis and the belt, just about. So it's not rubbing on the chassis. You can see there, see the gap there. And you can see the gap on the other side also. Okay, so that looks like a successful repair. Just give it a try outside. I'm not going to get on it because it's not mine. I don't want to break anything. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.